Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another edition of Division. That's right, today we're going to be using the standard algorithm to divide this. But before we begin, I'd like to point out this line. Did you know that this line actually means divided by? That's right, which means we can actually write this division problem right here over there by simply doing the following. I can put 7,946 up top, and it will say divided by 9 if I put the 9 on the bottom. This becomes exceedingly helpful if you're trying to take an improper fraction like this and write it as a mixed number. So let's dive right into that. Okay, first of all, how many times will 9 go into 7? It won't go, so we extend the line. How many times will 9 go into 79? Well, I know that 9 times 8 is 72, so I'm going to say 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Let's subtract 72 from 79, leaving us 7 left over. Remember, we can bring down the number to the right, which is a 4, and now we have a 74. How many times will 9 go into 74? Well, I know that 8 times 9 is still 72, so I'm going to go with that. And I'm going to subtract 72 from 74, leaving me 2. Now I'm going to bring down the 6. Now I have 26. How many times will 9 go into 26? Well, I know that it'll go twice, and not a cent more. So 2 times 9 is 20. 2 times 9 is 18, oh my. And then 18 from 26 is going to leave me 8. And so now I have 882, remainder 8. Now, this is how we can use this answer to write this as a mixed number. Remember, we're asking, how many times, essentially, will 9 go into 7,946? Well, we know that it'll go 882 full times. And then we know that we're going to have 8 left over, so we put the 8 in the numerator, and then the denominator of 9 is going to stay the same. So this can be written, this improper fraction can be written as 882 and 8/9. It can also be written as a remainder, which we have right here. So I'm going to write this one over here because now we're going to find the decimal answer to this problem. So let's see, we got 882, remainder 8. I've got a bit of a mess over here. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go ahead and see if we can write the answer as a decimal. So we're going to go through our same procedures, only this time we'll find a decimal answer. How many times will 9 go into 7? It won't go, so we extend the line. How many times will 9 go into 79? It will go. We know that it'll go 8 full times. 8 times 9 is 72. And 72 from 79 is going to be 7 left over. We bring down the 4, and 8 times 9 is 72 still. And we subtract 72 from 74 and get 2 left over, and now we bring down the 6. And now we have 26. We know that 2 times 9 is 18. And if we subtract 18 from 26, we will have 8 left over. Now this is where we stopped and just said 882, remainder 8. But we can actually put a decimal right here. Let me use a different color to illustrate it here. And when we put a decimal there, we drop down a 0 here. And now we have 80. And we know that 9 will go into 80. Let's see, 9 times 9 is 81, so I guess it's 9 times 8. 9 times 8, again, 9 times 8 is 72. And then 72 from 80 is going to be 8. And it looks like we're going to have a repeating number, because if we bring down another 0, we're just going to have 80 again, which means our answer is 882.8, repeating. Anyways, I hope this was helpful to you. Best of luck with whatever you're doing, and we'll talk to you later. There's 4 ways to answer this problem: decimal, remainder, write it as an improper fraction, or a mixed number.